Hello, today we will learn lesson number 2 polynomials. In polynomials, first of all, I am introducing some identities which you have studied in the 8th standard. Okay. First identity x plus y the whole square, that is x square plus 2xy plus y square. It is familiar for you. X minus y the whole square, that is also knowing x square minus 2xy plus y square. And third one, x square minus y square, that means x plus y into x minus y. And the fourth one onwards, you listen. Fourth one, listen. X plus a into x plus b. Here x is the variable a and b are constant numbers. Therefore, how the formula arranged, you see. The variable square, that means x coming x right, y coming y right, x square plus a plus b, sum of the constants, a plus b into the variable x, okay, plus a into b. Clear? Formula. This actually formulas only in this section. In this video, all the formulas only I am explaining. Very important formulas. First, once more you repeat along with me. Say along with me. X plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. X minus y the whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. X square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. And the fourth formula, here x is common. First term is common coming. Then the second, third terms are different coming. We will apply this formula only. First term square, that is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Clear? While sums explaining, you will get a more and more idea. So next formula, listen. X plus y plus z the whole square. Here all the terms squares you take in the order. X square plus y square plus z square. Here minus, here minus and here minus. That type of many questions are there, many formulas are there. But you will learn only this single formula. Okay, I will explain in the sum how to do. X square, x plus y plus z the whole square. All the terms of square you take. X square plus y square plus z square. Okay, taken now. Plus 2 into, then these two connect xy, 2xy. Then these two connect in the order yz. Then first and last connect. Okay, the order you got clear now. First x square, then y square, then z square, plus 2xy, then 2yz, then 2xz. Okay, clear the order? So this is the formula. These 5 formulas are very easy to understand and very easily you are might be knowing. Now I am going to explain the identity number 6. Identity number 6, this derivation not compulsory for you. You need only formulas. Okay, but I explained how this formula came. Identity number 6, x plus y the whole cube. See here, x plus y the whole cube I split it into x plus y the whole raised to 1 into x plus y the whole square. Clear? Then this x plus y the whole square formula you already have studied. What is x square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay, so here one bracket and here another bracket. These two bracket we are going to open. See here. Here first term now, this first term I will take and multiply all the terms. See here how multiply properly. You also take a notebook and do along with me. So very slowly I am explaining. Okay, x into x square, x cube. Okay, write along with me. X into 2xy, 2x square y. Okay, then x into y square. What is coming? xy square. Clear? Once more repeat. This x taken and multiply all these terms, x cube and x into 2xy, 2x square y, x into y square, xy square. These 3 terms written now. Now y take and multiply these all terms. Y into x square. So how coming? X square y. Y into 2xy. How much coming? 2xy square. Then y into y square, y cube. Okay. Now we will add them. See here, first term written x cube. Now x square y, how many terms are there? Here 2 terms are there, 2x square y. Here 1x square y. 2 pencil plus 1 pencil, how much coming? 3 pencil. Same way x square y, here x square y terms are same now. So you can add them. So 2x square y plus 1x square y, how much coming? 3x square y. And here xy square plus 2xy square, how much coming? 3xy square. And remaining term y cube. Okay, so this is the formula. See here, x plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Very easily you can understand this formula. You listen here. Degree reducing, no. Actually here we are applying the applying another one form of triangle method is there. Triangle method for because we will Pascal's triangles, one triangle is there, 1 1 1 1 2 1, in such a way one Pascal triangle formula is there, that applying very easily you can able to understand the coefficients. But leave that all points. Now listen here, this one, x plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube. Okay, here degree 3 gain now x, here degree 2 coming, here degree of x 2 coming, degree of x in decreasing and degree of y increasing. See here degree of y is 0 now, here degree of x is 3, here 3 came, so here also 3, x cube. Now here 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Here x degree 3, here degree x 2, here degree of x is 1, and here degree of x is y 0 and y 1, y 2 and y 3. This method, this technique inside it, you understanding very easily, you can remember the formula, not necessary to by heart. So listen here, x plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. And one more formula, same, from the same formula we deduce this one, x plus y the whole cube is equal to next formula x cube here and this y cube written here. And from these two terms now, which is maximum common, 3xy common now, then what is the meaning here? Here x, here then plus and y. So see the formula, once more repeat the formulas, say along with me the formulas. X plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. And the second formula, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Both the formula you have to by heart, because so several places different applications are coming. Depend upon the question I am asking, we have to apply the different formulas. Clear? Once more repeat, x plus y the whole cube, x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. X plus y the whole cube, what is coming? X cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Both same formula only. Here we are common taken and written here as it is written. Okay. Same formula here coming, x minus y the whole cube, also we are expanding by the same formula, x minus y into x minus y the whole square we can write, and open the bracket, you will get the same answer. So I didn't explanation not given here. Okay, so here see here all the terms are plus now, y here plus, so here minus coming, so alternate terms are plus and minus coming. Here see x cube then minus then plus then minus, x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. Same terms are coming but alternate terms are minus, that only the difference here. Here plus and here minus, then plus then minus. Clear? And here also we are taking terms. See here, x cube I written first and then minus y cube also I written first. Second. Now from this one what is common? Maximum common minus 3xy. So minus 3xy common taken. I told you when the any term is minus taking outside, sign will change. So here what is coming? X. So x will become plus x and here minus and y. So the formulas once more learn. X minus y the whole cube is equal to x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. And x minus y the whole cube is equal to second formula, x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Okay, this you yourself sitting at home, open and see the terms are coming correct or not. Otherwise the same way x plus y the whole cube I expanded and shown now, same way you do and see. So you will get a time. Now time is also there, no? So you can do and see yourself. So now how many formulas we have studied? We have studied total 7 formulas. Now the last formula of this section, 8th formula. See here, So x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. This is a term. We are going to open the bracket and simplify. See here. Properly, I told you, do along with me with a very serious way. So x into x square x cube, clear? X into y square x y square, x into z square x z square, x into minus xy minus x square y, x into yz, so xyz, x into xz, how much coming? X square z. Clear? One term taken and multiplied over. Now you take the second term. Second term y, x square y, then y into y square y cube, y into z square y, okay, y into xy, how much coming? Minus xy square, then y into yz, how much coming? Y square z, and then y into xz minus xyz. Clear? Now third term, z take and multiply. Z into x square z, z into y square zy square, z into z square z cube, okay, z into xy minus xyz, z into yz square or z square y, okay, z into xz square. There is no necessary, you simply take a paper and multiply along with me, so you can understand very easily. And now here what is happening? Like terms are there. Like terms with a plus and minus is there. That you cancel. You knowing plus a minus a will cancel. Plus a minus a what will come? 0. So same way like terms we will cancel here. Xy square plus xy square minus xy square cancel now. Xz square, find out where? Xz square here minus xz square cancelling. Then minus x square y plus x square y cancelling. So this xyz not cancelling, okay. Minus x square z plus x square z cancelling, plus x square y minus, where it is, plus x square y already it is cancelled in the previous term, okay. Then minus z square y cancelled, minus z, sorry, plus z square y minus z square y cancelled, okay. So xy square minus xy square plus xy square cancelled already. Y square is here y square is and here y square is the terms. So except x cube, y cube, z cube and x, y, z, all the terms will cancel. You yourself verify and cancel it. Okay, can cancel. So plus x, one plus coming and one minus coming, automatically it will cancel. Okay. So that underlined over here now, these all terms are cancelled. Very clearly you knowing. So here minus x square z, here plus x square z. So here zy plus zy square, here minus zy square. So these all terms, minus plus terms coming, all will cancel. So finally what is remaining there? X cube is there, y cube is there, z cube is there, and here minus xyz, here minus xyz, here minus xyz. Total how much coming? 3xyz coming. So minus 3xyz. So this is your formula. So listen here, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y z into x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. Okay, this is also, and eighth formula, this is also very important formula. This 8 formulas you have to by heart for doing all the sums. Okay, listen. Therefore the last formula is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z. See, x plus into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. Okay, this total how many formulas are there? 8 formulas I taught you. These all the 8 formulas are very important. In the next video, if you are properly learning and coming the identities, then only teacher when explaining the sums you can understand. Okay, so which are the formulas? Better once more we can recollect. x plus y the whole square formula, okay, x minus y the whole square formula, x square minus y square formula, x plus a into x plus b, x plus y plus z the whole square, then x plus y the whole cube, and x plus y the whole cube I given two formulas, okay, and x minus y the whole cube, how many formulas given? Two formulas. And next last formula what is coming? Our eighth formula, lengthy formula, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. Actually you need only these 8 formulas, derivation not necessary. So derivation simply for your understanding I explained and given only, okay. All the 8 formulas perfect learn and come, then we will do the next video, we can do the exercise sums very properly, okay. Then only can learn, without a formulas not possible, okay students. Bye.